Out of everything growing in my garden, I got a little mint here. This thing died about 4 times and is still growing. I have a tomato plant that was given to me by my neighbor. And I have no idea what this is. Is this a watermelon plant? If anyone knows, let me know. Again, by the leaves, this is either squash or watermelon. I have to go back and check the leaf things. Remember, I have mystery seeds. A little plant, big pot. Another little plant, big pot, but it's growing. If I'm not mistaken, that's mint. I have absolutely no clue. But look at my tomatoes. I am so proud of them. They are so big. This is the best thing that's growing so far. I have whatever that is, and that, and that, and that. Those are all of the ones I had where the labels are missing. That's mint. I know exactly what that is. Here's another tomato plant. And it's looking pretty good. I may need to train it a little bit, but it looks good. And that's it for my update.